Hello guys, today we're going to talk about how to install an SSL certificate in Cpanel. As you can see in this website, the SSL is not installed, so the connection is not secured. Same in Firefox. We want to install an SSL for bidssl.com. But before we start, we need to know a little bit more about different parts of an SSL. An SSL consists of three different parts. First, CA bundle, which is actually the combination of intermediate and the root codes, certificate or CRT that you receive from certificate authorities, companies like Comodo, DigiCert or Certum, and finally, private key. In this video, we assume that you already have CA bundle and certificate codes. In some cases, the company or the website that provides you the SSL, they will give you the private key, but most of the times they won't. And you yourself need to generate private key in Cpanel. That we will get to that soon. Okay, everything is ready, so let's get started. After we logged into Cpanel, in the security section, click on SSL TLS, or the easier way is just use search box and type SSL, and we will have SSL TLS. In case you don't have your own private key, you can click on generate private key link, choose the key size, and click generate. Okay, here you go, that's the private key. You can copy this code, but because I already have my own private key, so I just click back. And in the section, I click on the last link, Manage SSL Sites. To install the SSL, we need to select our domain from this drop-down menu. Okay, here we have private key section. You can paste the codes that were generated in the previous section, but I copy my own private key. Okay. In CRT section, again, copy and paste the codes of the certificate. And same for CA bundle. Copy and paste. All right. While pasting these codes, pay attention that there should be no extra character or blank spaces in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the codes. Okay, it seems pretty good. And finally, click on Install Certificate. And as you can see, the SSL is updated successfully. Okay, nice. Now, if we refresh the page of our website, you should see the padlock on the browser. And now the connection is secure. Alright, that's it. I hope you've installed your certificate successfully. If you have any questions or you face any problems while installing your SSL, just leave us a comment down below. Have fun and see you guys in the next video.